Inside a cement plant, wear, dust, abrasion, corrosion, and extreme operating conditions constantly damage critical equipment. These harsh conditions reduce efficiency and shorten the life of valuable assets. But what if, instead of replacing expensive components, they could be repaired, protected, and strengthened? Let's see how Faisal Engineering Services' advanced industrial repair solutions are helping cement plants extend equipment life and significantly reduce downtime. In critical equipment, we start with vertical roller mills. In VRMs such as coal and cement mills, the geometry of internal components is complex. Traditionally, protection is done using ceramic tiles or hard steel plates, which are often difficult to install and not always practical. Faisal Engineering Services provides advanced ceramic coating solutions that are easy to apply and offer excellent abrasion resistance. These coatings are successfully applied on components such as tie rods, classifier static vanes, VRM sealing cone, classifier shaft, mill door, mill body, and outlet duct. In particular, the ceramic coating application on separator vanes clearly demonstrates the effectiveness of this protection. Another critical challenge in cement plants is false air leakage. This issue affects process efficiency and increases energy consumption. Our sealing solutions effectively address this problem by sealing flanges, ducts, and doors of the vertical roller mill body, helping plants maintain optimal operating conditions. Moving forward, we come to the ID fan, which operates under extremely abrasive conditions. Our ceramic coating solutions provide strong protection for the fan cone, casing, bolts, and fan shaft. One example is the rebuilding of a preheater fan shaft. A damaged shaft can be restored directly on site using a cold metal rebuilding process with ceramic coating. This in-situ repair method saves both time and cost compared to conventional replacement. Similarly, the fins of the ID fan in coal mills often rupture or wear out due to continuous abrasive flow. Using our ceramic coating technology, these fins can be rebuilt and protected again, providing a reliable and cost-effective solution. The transfer system is another critical part of the cement process. We offer solutions to repair chute holes online and rebuild worn surfaces without conventional welding. Our anti-stick coating is also applied on bucket elevator buckets to prevent sticking of gypsum or pond ash caused by moisture. Additional solutions include rubber belt repair, screw feed conveyors, rotary airlocks, and protection of mild steel lines and bends against abrasion. The kiln and cooler are among the most vital and critical equipment in a cement plant. Our solutions help control continuous dust leakage from the kiln shell main hole during kiln rotation. We also provide protection for WHR duct dampers exposed to high wear and abrasion at elevated temperatures. In addition, we protect the kiln foundation against oil spillage, where leaking oil can seep into the concrete foundation and weaken the structure over time. Another important application is the coal burner pipe. The continuous flow of fine abrasive coal causes severe abrasion and erosion inside the burner pipe, gradually reducing its diameter and sometimes even puncturing the pipe. Our ceramic coating provides strong protection against this erosion and significantly extends the service life of the burner pipe. For the dedusting system, we provide corrosion protection for baghouse tube sheets affected by sulfur content in process gases. We also repair and seal raw mill baghouse doors to ensure proper system performance. Faisal Engineering Services offers advanced repair and protection solutions for almost every critical equipment in a cement plant. If you are facing equipment wear, leakage, or abrasion issues, share the problem with us, and we will provide a reliable solution with proven applications. Contact Faisal Engineering Services to keep your plant running efficiently and reliably.